Hey Glam Dolls, I'm so excited to be here with you all today, but before I go too far into this video, if any of you is interested in how I actually achieve this eye look that you are seeing, the link to it will be down in the comment section below. It will also be in the description box below and located at the end of this video. Yes, but I'm so excited to be here with you all today because this video is actually made possible by InStylish makeup sponges. Yes, the InStylish makeup sponges, and I'm so excited to give this a try. This is the multifunctional makeup sponge, and I never used a makeup sponge to apply my full coverage as far as foundation go. And what makes this makeup sponge so special, aside from it being in pink, which is rose, and brown, which is they call macchiato, what makes these actually so special is they're latex free. So it's promising to give me a smooth velvety finish if I'm using powder, cream, or liquid. So yeah, and I'm just gonna jump straight on into this video, and as I'm using these, you'll get to hear a little bit more about them. Okay, dolls, so this is the pink rose colored one, and it has a slanted edge for controlled stippling. It has a mini moon edge for targeted coverage, you know, like for underneath the eyes, and the rounded end is for all over buffering. So it's super soft and it's so cute in its color. Now I apologize that this one is out of focus, but this is the brown one, which is the macchiato one, and it just has a flat side and it's narrow enough just to pat the concealer underneath the areas of the eyes and, you know, around the nose more easily. This one is mainly used for contouring. So as you can see, my foundation is all over my face. I already dipped the sponges in some warm water, and look at how far it expanded. That right there just was mind-blowing. Like, I didn't expect for it to expand that far. So wish me luck. Here we go. Okay, it's doing what it's doing. It's not absorbing my foundation, at least not all of it. It's definitely moving the foundation around. It's giving me the same coverage as would if I was using, you know, like my facial blending brush. And this is my first time actually using a makeup sponge to do my foundation, so I gotta admit, this is exceeding my expectations. Now, like I said, these makeup sponges are designed without latex, so it makes it perfect for applying and blending all formulas, and I'm impressed. It has a micro pore formulation. You know, the sponges ensures impeccable streak-free application, which I see that it's doing. Minimum waste on the product because it's not absorbing, you know, all my foundation. And no matter the formula, you know, be it liquid, cream, or powder, it's supposed to give a velvety smooth finish, and I believe it just did that. Yeah, I'm impressed. So now I'm going to highlight underneath the areas of my eyes, and I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay concealer, followed by my e.l.f. Cosmetics Cream Contour. And I'm just going to stipple that all along the perimeters of my forehead and my high cheekbone area. Take the brown macchiato colored one, and like I said, this one is used for contouring, and the flat sides is what enable it to go ahead and pat the concealer underneath the areas of the eyes and around the, you know, nose and areas much more easily. And it is really blending this out. These sponges honestly are a wow factor for me. You're going to hear me say it a million times. I never did use a beauty blender nor a makeup sponge to apply my foundation or even my contour for that matter, or to blend out my contour, and it's definitely doing it. So here's some powder, and I took the slanted edge, which like I said, it has a flat side which is narrow enough to pat on that contour powder. So it's definitely doing that, and the sponge isn't absorbing all the product. That's the main thing that's impressing me. So I decided to go back to the pink one and use the rounded edge to apply my liquid highlighter, which by the way is LA Colors Cosmetics. It only cost me $1 in my local Dollar Tree. I keep telling you all, stop sleeping Dollar Tree for your makeup needs. A little bit of blush. I am not much of a blush wearer. If you're an official glam doll, you know that's going to go a long way for me. I took my facial makeup blending brush and just buffed out where I put the contour powder. And this is something different that I've been trying out lately. A lot of influencers seem to use rhinestones or whatever to put along the eyebrow bridge, and I just decided to put these little white dots. I thought it was just something cute. I've been trying this out lately. I doubt if I'm gonna continue to do this. I don't know. I was just giving it a try, and I just took some white liquid liner to do so. So yeah. But now I'm going to go ahead and add in some eyeliner, and I'm gonna outline my lips with some lip pencil, and I'm going to apply my MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Basic Nude Lippy that is coming very, very, very soon. I promise you all it will be available for purchase very, very shortly. And as I apply my Basic Nude Lippy topped with a little bit of my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, I'm now going to share my full and final thoughts with you all. And on that note, dolls, this concludes the video. Not bad. I mean, these sponges right here definitely did exceed my expectations as far as giving me the coverage that it did promise with using my foundation. It definitely did leave me with a velvety smooth finish. It didn't give off any streaks or anything like that. I got an even coverage from using my liquid foundation. When it came to the contouring aspect, I don't contour that often, so it kind of didn't work for me, but I do like the sponge within itself to use as an overall makeup sponge for just applying my makeup and or my concealer. So on that note, I really do like how these sponges did work well for me. And yeah, I'm liking the end result. If any of you was interested in this eye look, don't forget it will be linked down in the comment section and in the description box below, as well as at the end of this video. And to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, I have an exclusive discount code for you all right there. So if you're interested in getting your hands on these latex free makeup sponges, you'll be able to do so. Everything and all information on everything used will be down in the comment and description box below. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.